This is your Cobra Monarch liner lock folder. I chose the gray. It comes with two other colors. It's G10 scales. You can see the texture on it. The stainless hardware just shoots out against that gray. I just absolutely love it. You got your back spacer here. Also serves as a lanyard hole. Just very well centered. You got jipping on your flipper. Smooth action on the bearings. It's a D2 steel blade. You see the logo there in D2. Beautiful knife. Very smooth on these bearings, man. This is the Cobra Tech Monarch series. And this is the gray with a D2 steel blade, G10 scales.